Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to block spam callers and other unknown numbers on your Motorola phone. So we can just go to the phone right here, and if you go to contacts, or if you just look in the top right, there's going to be three little dots. We can go to settings, and there should be a setting under here for like block numbers. We can go to here, and it says unknown, block calls from unidentified callers. So I have this turned on right here. And it says you won't receive calls or texts from blocked numbers. So you can add a specific number right here and you can block it. So if you know the actual number, you have that as an option. So if you have a different kind of Android phone than mine, just look in the top right. There should be some sort of call block settings that you can click on. And then you should be able to disable that number. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.